In this video we will see how to write a CSV file in Pandas. Before going through this video, you must have watched the previous video in which I told you how to read a CSV file in Pandas. Firstly, we have to import the Pandas library. For that I will write import Pandas as PD, shift enter. Then I will read a dataset which I have kept on D drive, and name of my dataset is train dataset. So df is equals to pd dot read underscore CSV, because I am reading a CSV file, and here in this double quotation or in single quotation you have to give the CSV file name. My CSV file name is train dot CSV. Then read this file. Now I will execute this by using shift enter. Now this is my dataset, okay, which contains total 891 rows and 12 columns. Now suppose I want to check the data type of this data frame. So I will write type function, type in bracket df, which will display the type of df variable. Shift enter. Here see pandas.core.frame.dataframe. That means here data frame is a data type which is used in this. Data frame is a data type which contains the two-dimensional heterogeneous data. Now suppose I want to display only columns from this given dataset. So for that I have to give the function name as df.column. Shift enter. Here see passenger ID, survived, P class, name, age, sex, and all these are the total columns which are present in our dataset, which I displayed with the help of columns. See, these are the column name: passenger ID, survived, class and all, name, age, peers, ticket and all. So these are the total 12 column name. Okay. Now suppose I want to read one specific column only, or suppose I want to read one specific rows only. To read one specific row, specific rows, df is equals to pd dot read dot CSV in bracket name of dataset, that is train.csv, then give comma and n rows is equals to, suppose I want to display only first row, so I will write 1, then print this. Okay, there is one error, that is attribute error. To read a specific rows, what is error that we will see? Module Pandas has no attribute read. It is saying that module Pandas has, because here instead of writing underscore by mistake I wrote a dot. Now run this code. See, here only first row is displayed, that I want to do. Now I want to display one specific column. To display, how to read column, I have to give df is equals to pd dot read. Be careful here, underscore should be there, and the csv, and in brackets write down your dataset name. My dataset name is train.csv, comma, then use calls is equals to, in bracket, suppose I want to display 0th column, so in bracket I will write 0, then print this. See here, only 0th column is displayed over here. Now suppose I want to display 2 columns, first and second, so here you can write down 0, 1. See here, first two columns are displayed. Okay, suppose you want to skip one specific rows, and skipping that row you want to read rest of the data set. So for skipping the rows, df is equals to pd dot read underscore csv, in bracket train. Either you can use single quote or double quote, meaning of both is same. Train, then skip rows. Suppose I am going to skip first row. Okay, then I will display this function. See, first row is skipped here. One is skipped, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is rest of the data set from column from row number 2. It's displayed. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. In description box I have provided the link of dataset.